Hello. You see those prayers that you pray that God should kill your enemy, that He should send thunder and strike them, that their business close down, that their marriage will fail. Stop them. You are sowing a seed. All those curses you rain on people just because they've hurt you, just because they stole from you. Stop them. Stop them. Because the Bible says, because you love cursing, you'll benefit from it. Curse will come your way. Because you like wishing people accident, wishing people divorce, wishing people their downfall, that they'll be sick. Sickness, accidents, death, divorce will come your way. You are the one calling those things from far. They are far from you. The Bible says that you shall be far from oppression. But when not because you want to oppress other people, you are actually saying, oppression, I like you. Me and you were in the same WhatsApp group. Come, and where will it come? It will come and manifest in your life. So, be the game changer. Jesus said, love your enemies. Pray for them, those that persecute you. Do that and move on. That energy you are using to pray against people, to wish people evil, use it to speak life into your life, to speak peace, to speak blessing, prosperity, success, and good things. Stay blessed.